respected Jairaj Bhai, dear Urvashi Ben, Ms. Zeenat Bhojaboy, Ms. Jasmine Madani, President Manoj, our fellow Rotarians, and dear Rams, a very good evening to you all. Today it is my proud privilege to welcome the team Jamnabai Narsi for their high achievement in the board exams. Amongst us, we have Rajvi Parekh, Rotarian Pinakin Parikh's granddaughter, with a score of 399 out of 400 in her 12th grade. She is from ISC board from Jamnabai Narsi School. And we have Ahan Chatwal, the international topper, with a score of 36 out of 36 in his MYP, that is middle year program. Friends, as we all know, today's session is an interactive session. Whatever questions and queries you have got, you can just type it in your chat box and we are going to address them as soon as the session ends. Thank you. Coming back to education, it really plays a major role in a child's life. Today's education is incomplete without a hint of holistic approach. Today's schools not only tap an individual's intellectual potential, but also focus on their social, creative, emotional, physical, artistic growth as well. It helps in building the complete personality of a child. As we all know, the school plays a very important role in a child's growth. And which school can be better known as than our own Jamnabai Narsi School? It provides all the above opportunities under one roof. Thank you so much for providing us such good opportunities. We have here the principal of Jamnabai Narsi School, Ms. Zeenat Bhojaboy. Good evening, Ms. Zeenat. Ms. Zeenat is a visionary and is a born leader. She shows exemplary leadership qualities. She sets the bar high for her students. She inspires them, motivates them, though she's a strict disciplinarian, but she has a heart of gold. And now, the Rotary Club of Bombay West proudly felicitates Ms. Zeenat with a citation. And I request Rotarian Dr. Usha Jayachandran to please read out the citation. Thank you so much. Usha. Usha, you have to mute yourself, my dear.
Yes. Hello, yes. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Poonam ma'am. It is indeed a privilege for us at Bombay West to have the esteemed presence of Miss Zeenat Bhojaboy in our midst this evening. Good evening, ma'am. Zeenat ma'am, as I know her, is a children's principal. She puts children first and then works with her team at Jamnabai Narsi School to formulate the workings of the school, a very unique quality and rare to find. We are honored to confer upon Zeenat ma'am a citation of recognition, which reads as follows. Citation of recognition presented by the Rotary Club of Bombay West on October 7th, 2020 to Ms. Zeenat Bhojaboy for unmatchable vision and dedication towards the academic as well as holistic development of children as the principal of Jamnabai Narsi School, Juhu. We at the Rotary Club of Bombay West immensely appreciate your efforts as a leader par excellence, as the driving force behind the successful running of an academic institute of high repute, and for blazing a trail of excellence that is a landmark in itself. 3 cheers for Zeenat ma'am. Ma'am, may I request you to please share your thoughts with us and speak to us, ma'am. Thank you. Yes. Over to you, ma'am.
So, very good evening to each member of the Rotary Club of Bombay West present here today. At the outset, let me first thank each one of you for appreciating our effort. But I truly believe that children's success lies in the contribution of 3 generations: the great-grandparents, the grandparents, and I also believe that the parents' contribution today is noteworthy. When I saw Pinakin by ear, I now know exactly where Rajvi's success has come from. When I see Manoj Bhai and Jairaj Bhai, I can see a bright future of their grandchildren. The roots matter. They are the pillars of strength. May God give each one of you good health, and may you continue to be contributing to your grandchildren's success. And to the young ones, the young members of the Rotary Club, continue doing the good work, continue contributing to the social cause. You never know in whose life you will make a difference. 20 years down the line, that is what is going to be remembered. Nothing else. It is your contribution that matters. Thank you. Let us continue to strive, giving our children the strength to face all the challenges in this 21st century. Let us inspire them by being good role models. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a great year ahead, a great year to all the Rotarians.
Thank you, Ms. Zina, for your valuable time and the words of wisdom. Somebody rightly said, you are not a drop in the ocean, but you are the entire ocean in a drop. We have Rajvi Parikh from Standard 12, from Jamnabai. In her own words, she has been a consistently motivated student with regular studies, well-planned schedule, and a good night's sleep. Rajvi, Rotary Club of Bombay West proudly presents a certificate of recognition to you, and I request Rotarian Usha to do the needful.
Hi Rajvi, good evening and thank you for being with us today. It is such a delight when a child from the Rotary family scales unfathomable heights, and that too on her own accord. Rajvi Parikh, granddaughter of our own Rotarian Pinakin Parikh, we are so proud of you. I have known Rajvi as a little girl and over the years observed her to be a very sorted and exceptionally intelligent child. We are super thrilled, Rajvi, to confer upon you a certificate of recognition that reads as follows. Certificate of Recognition for Brilliant Academic Excellence presented by the Rotary Club of Bombay West on October 7th, 2020 to Ms. Rajvi Parikh for the outstanding achievement of securing All India First Rank in Standard 12 ISC Examination 2019-20. Rajvi, we are so proud of you. Well done and God bless you. We'd love to hear a few words from you too. Thank you.
Thank you, Ushanti. That was lovely. And I'd like to extend gratitude to President Dr. Manoj, the Secretary, Ms. Hima Dalal, and the Program Chair, Mr. Ashok Deroa, for this honor. I'm privileged to be a part of this meeting, and let me assure you that something like this only motivates us further to scale further heights in future. I would also like to thank the trustees, Shri Jairaj Thakkar, Srimati Urvashi Thakkar, the entire board of trustees, Principal Ms. Zeenat Bhojabhoy, and the entire management and faculty at Jamnabai Nursery School, because it's their guidance that has helped me to achieve what I have. And I'd like to say one thing. The one thing that I'm extremely grateful to Jamnabai Nursery School for is imbibing the values that they hold in so much regard, values of honesty, of hard work, of respect. And and I would also like to thank my family for imbibing those virtues in me that allow me to be the person that I am today, while also achieving well academically. And it's been an honor, so thank you so much for this felicitation.
Thank you, Rajvi, for your lovely share. I also remember you as a small child, as I have also taught you in 6th standard. And I know you were always a very sincere child. Kudos to Rajvi. And I can only say, we are what we believe we are. All the best to you, Rajvi. Coming back to our alma mater, Jamnabai, we have Ms. Jasmine Madani, the school educator from Jamnabai Narsi International School. She is certified independent consultant in concept-based curriculum design. Ms. Jasmine aims to facilitate transition and change in teaching pedagogy. She is inspired by the saying of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The Rotary Club of Bombay West proudly presents a citation to Ms. Jasmine Madani, and I request Rotarian Usha to please read out the same. Thank you. Mute yourself, Usha, I think.
That mistake. Sorry about that. Good evening, Jasmine ma'am. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am. Happy to have you in our presence today. The Jamnabai International School is making waves in the academic circles under the stewardship of Ms. Jasmine Madhani. I haven't had the privilege of meeting you personally, ma'am, but I know of you as a fantastic administrator at JNIS, and we are elated to have you with us this evening. It is our privilege to confer upon you a citation of recognition which reads as follows. Citation of recognition presented by the Rotary Club of Bombay West on October 7, 2020 to Ms. Jasmine Madhani. May we have the citation, please, Hima? For leadership as well as visionary thinking, steering the academic as well as integrated development of the children at the Jamnabai Narsi International School, Juhu, as its principal. We at the Rotary Club of Bombay West applaud you for your inimitable energy and exceptional steering of an academic organization of high repute and forging an indelible mark of excellence. 3 cheers to you, ma'am. Request you to please share a few words with us. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Usha. A very good evening to one and all present here today. And I would like to thank each one of you, the Rotary Club of Bombay West, and the President, Dr. Manoj Patel, and his team for organizing this and acknowledging the hard work of our achievers. At Jamnabai Narsi International School, we offer the 3IB International Baccalaureate Program, the PYP or the Primary Years Program, the Middle Years Program, which is the MYP, and the Diploma Program. As an authorized IB World School, our focus is not only on the curriculum content, but also on application, understanding, and mastery of skills, critical thinking, reflection, communication, and collaboration. And I think that's what they need in today's world. We encourage students to develop their unique identity, confidence, and serve humanity. We view education as the development of the whole student or a child and place importance not just on the intellect development, but also on the physical, social, and spiritual development. And I would acknowledge, the force or the visionary of or leadership of our managing trustee, Shri Jairaj Thakur, and board of trustees, who have always said that along with academics, give other opportunities to the students. And that is the driving force, I feel, in the school. Ahan Chatwal, who has scored 56 points out of 56 and is a world topper. And I would like to just mention, for the sake of everyone who's listening to us, that this is just the 0.02% in the world getting that perfect score in the middle years program of the International Baccalaureate, the examination which happened in 2020. So Ahan, we are really proud of you. And I give all credit to the teachers, the team of teachers who have worked with him. Of course, Ahan's desire and perseverance to do best, and also parents. I have seen them supporting and caring for Ahan for everything. I also want to mention that not just academic, today we feel so proud of him because he is also national and international gold medalist in all the track and field events, national as well as internationally. So that's what I think our other students, they get inspiration when they see Ahan in the school. Wishing both the students, Ahan and Rajveer, all the very best for future endeavor. And we strongly feel if a student moves confidently in the direction of dreams and follows his or her passion, hard work and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. All the very best to you. And thank you so much for inviting us to this special meeting today.
Thank you so much, Ms. Madani, for your words of wisdom. Congratulations to you and Ms. Zeenat also for such lovely scores, which we only dream of. We can never ever imagine at our time that we could get something like that. Somebody truly said, it is your road and yours alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. Coming back to Ahan, he is definitely really the international topper with score 56 upon 56 in his middle years program. His grade 10 assessment. At the same time, he has been the council, he has been an athlete. All this has been possible because of the opportunities provided to him from his school. So the Rotary Club of Bombay West proudly presents a certificate of recognition to Ahan. And I request Rotary Usha to the meeting. Thank you.
Hi Ahan, and welcome to our club this evening. What an incredible feat, Ahan, an achievement par excellence. It is no mean feat to be a world topper, and I'm sure your hard work and dedication must have been of a different level altogether. God bless you, child. We are delighted to have you with us this evening to confer on you a certificate of recognition that reads as follows. Certificate of Recognition for Brilliant Academic Excellence presented by the Rotary Club of Bombay West on October 7, 2020 to Master Ahan Chhatwal for the outstanding achievement of securing 56 upon 56 World Topper Standard 10 IB Curriculum 2019-20. Super congrats and God bless, Ahan. Do share a few words with us this evening. We'd love to hear from you. I think you need to unmute yourself.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, Ms. Jasmine, and thank you so much everyone present over here for everything. And firstly, I would like to emphasize on the fact that we are because of our circumstances. And the statement holds true to that big of an extent that we can say that we are our circumstances. And hence, I would like to thank the management of our school, the Ms. Jasmine Madhani, Mr. Michael, and Ms. Sonal, who have been our coordinators for the past 5 years, and all the teachers who have always been there to guide me and support me throughout my journey through MYP, without whom I would not be an athlete. I would not be performing well in academics or in any other area of exploration. So thank you so much to everyone, and mostly I would also like to thank my parents and my sister for always being there. They've been there since the very beginning, obviously, and their support has really pushed me to achieve higher benchmarks every year, every day. And I would also like to talk about my one thing that's really important to me, and that's something to see every challenge as an opportunity and not as a threat. For instance, exams aren't threats, and shouldn't be looked down upon, but are opportunities to prove to yourself that you can achieve better or push yourself in that certain academic field. And similarly for athletics as well, your competitors aren't really threats, but are challenging you to achieve better and cross the finish line in a faster time and beat them. So that competitive spirit and that hunger is something that's really motivated me to achieve what I have achieved and actually come to this level in academics and sports. So thank you for everyone. Thank you to everyone who supported me to do this.
Thank you, Ahan. Such lovely words, such wise word at such a young age. I'm surprised. Really, God bless you.
Thank
I
you.
can only say, dream big, work hard, but stay humble the way you are. Now it's time for me to go through the question answers, which I would like to go through. And before that, I would like to thank everyone, Ms. Zina, Ms. Madani, for their valuable time, for their advice, for taking care of our children for so many years, years after years, looked after our children and really helped them achieve their goals. Also, Rajvi and Ahan, for your valuable and interesting share. So mature the children are nowadays. It has really been a very wonderful and rewarding evening this Wednesday. I would like Rotarian Usha to come and join, give a vote of thanks and propose a vote of thanks now. And I will go through the questions which I will put across our heads in a little bit.
Ma'am, I think you need to first take the questions, then we'll come to the vote of thanks. There are some questions.
There are some
There are questions, yes, there are some questions.
Okay. Please.
I think Ashok Devara has
They have
asked a question in a chat.
uh,
What are the future plans of Ahan?
Ahan
Because
Chakra.
he has conquered the world, but still there is a universe.
Okay.
So,
So, Ahan, you have to answer this question to everyone. What is your future plan?
as much as I would like to live in the present and like try to conquer the present, my future plans are to like go to the US to study, and that's pretty much the brief overview of it for further studies at university. So that's pretty much all I know of what I'm going to be doing in the future, except for like the clarity I have over the subjects I'm studying next year, because I have already chosen them. But apart from that, I actually do not know which fields I will be applying for or which universities I would be applying to, because that's, and as I have been previously told, it's not the right time to actually decide that, because that's something that will keep changing. And that's why, like, what I'm sure about is that I'm going to be studying economics, physics, and math HL next year, as well as English, Chem, and Spanish SL next year, just like I am doing this year. And that I will be applying to the US and mostly applying in the fields of economics and international relations, but that again is subject to change.
Okay. There's
And
a question.
a question to both of them.
Yes.
How did you cope up with your studies? Did you have a lot of peer pressure?
Rajvi, would you like to go first?
Sure. Coping up with studies, I think if you couple them with co-curriculars, taking part in public speaking events, and also I enjoy dancing as a hobby. So when you couple that with studies, I think it only gives you the much needed breaks. And talking about peer pressure, I think I've never felt that much, because your competition is with yourself. You can either take everyone with you, and that's what I believe in, that it's me who has to improve. I don't really feel the peer pressure.
Good. Now, thank you. It was an excellent presentation, excellent talk. Rajvi and Ahan, you have made us proud by conquering India and world, but I feel you should go higher and higher. We wish you all the best in your life. And with the teachers and with the guide like Miss Zinnat and Miss Jasmine, I think they can do much better. And I thank the trustees of Jamanabai, Jairaj Bhai, Urvashi and Sujay for giving them the opportunity to conquer the world. Thank you. I now request our pilot of our flight, Flying Carpet, Usha Jayachandran, to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Patel. Thank you so much.
One question, sorry.
Yes.
One
Yes.
question for Rajvi. What is the contribution of your grandfather? Rajvi, can you say something about?
Yes. With regards to my grandfather, he has always been the most intelligent person I've ever met. He has extremely insightful perspectives on everything, even the subjects that I do till now. And I think so, in terms of guiding me how to manage with manage studies and how to go about, sort of manage facing failure and success. I think all those sum up to how your academic journey and your personal life proceeds. So I think those are the main values that he keeps imbibing in me and my siblings. So I will always be grateful for that.
Thank you. I think one question I had asked Pinakin Bhai at that time, Rajvi, why did they deduct that 1 mark? So just question them like all are questioning you right now. Thank you. Thank you. Now, Usha,
Thank you,
flying
Dr. Patel.
lady.
Wow, what an amazing evening it has been today. 4 wonderful people in our midst. The very wise and experienced Zinat ma'am and Jasmine ma'am, and 2 children on the threshold of gaining wisdom and experience. Shakespeare has written on teaching and learning in his epic Much Ado About Nothing, and I quote, "My love is thine to teach. Teach it, but how? And thou shalt see how apt it is to learn." Zinat ma'am and Jasmine ma'am, I read this quote today because it exemplifies the guidance in teaching that your experience and dedication brings to the children of today. And for Rajvi and Ahan, who have absorbed this guidance and teaching and made a complete example out of it with their academic performance. Thank you so much, Zinat ma'am, Jasmine ma'am, Rajvi and family, as well as Ahan and family, for gracing us with your esteemed presence this evening. God bless you, young ones. May the wings you have honed at Jamnabai Nursery School take you higher and higher to higher heights of excellence. God bless you and be with you. Thank you so much for being with us this evening. Over to the great President Manoj Patel once more.